The Mahindra XUV500 infotainment system can sometimes encounter glitches requiring a reset. Resetting without the key, specifically a factory reset or bypassing ignition dependencies, isn't officially documented by Mahindra due to security and potential system corruption risks. Generally, a soft reset, restarting the system through the settings menu, is the safest and recommended first step. This involves navigating to the settings menu on the infotainment screen and looking for a reset or restart option. If the system is frozen or unresponsive, a hard reset might be considered, but proceed with caution as it could lead to data loss or system instability. The procedure may vary depending on the specific software version installed on your XUV500. While direct keyless factory resets are not supported or recommended by Mahindra, attempting unofficial methods found online carries significant risks. These risks include bricking the infotainment system, rendering it unusable, permanent data loss, and voiding your warranty. If the soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, the safest course is to consult a certified Mahindra technician who has the proper diagnostic tools and authorized procedures. Additionally, do not attempt to disconnect the car battery without first consulting the manufacturer's instruction manual, as this can cause additional issues.